Hey everybody, what is going on? It's Bill at Franklin Loan Center, and I just want to take a second to wish everyone a safe and happy 4th of July coming up this weekend. Of course, it's a huge and momentous occasion for us to be able to celebrate 250 years of the U.S. Of course, if we spend all our time in social media and in the news and everything like that, you would think this country's just lost its flipping mind, and it's a terrible place to be, and everybody hates each other. But anyone that takes a minute and turns that off, we all realize it's a pretty damn epic place, and mostly people get along in this world, especially if they skip talking about politics, and if they'll take a second to actually leave most of their kind of wild ideas aside. Everyone probably agrees anyway. And I think it's just a good time to just kind of think about that stuff and just celebrate our similarities and what we all want rather than all the differences. So that's it for today. Again, a safe and happy 4th to everybody, and I'll see y'all next week.